Hi everyone, we are today standing at Lanco Hills Society, Manikonda, Hyderabad. I am really excited for this project, as you can probably tell. Why I'm excited? Because we have a lot of unique elements going on in here, which you'll see soon. Before we quickly start with the setup process, I would request you to please subscribe to our channel, guys. There are not many YouTubers in India who are showing you actual house setups. We here are putting in all our effort to bring the best content to you in the interior space. So yeah, please subscribe, like and hit that bell icon for updates. Please note that we have divided the full home tour into 6 videos covering different sections in each, so make sure you watch all the videos of this playlist. This is our first formal living area and the plan is to keep it mostly in neutral shades.